Remove the trim panel from the armrest box. Unscrew the 2 screws on the center console. Remove the center console. The plug on the back of the center stack can be unplugged when removed. Unscrew the 2 screws on the head unit. Take out the head unit. Unplug the video cable behind the head unit. Also unplug the main line behind the head unit. Take out the main line of Carplay and connect it with the original car main line. Connect the other end of the Carplay main line to the original car head unit. Take out Carplay's LVDS cable and connect it with the original car's video cable. Connect the other end of Carplay's LVDS cable to the original car head unit. Take out the Carplay module. There is a dialer on the module. The screen size of the original car can be measured as shown in the figure. Then, according to the screen size of the original car, change the dial code according to the dial table. Connect Carplay's LVDS cable plug to the module. Connect the white plug of the Carplay mainline to the module. Connect Carplay's Wi-Fi antenna and Bluetooth antenna to the module. Connect the Carplay USB cable. Connect the AUX cable to the Carplay mainline. Connect the AUX cable to the AUX adapter. Then connect the other end of the AUX adapter to the original car's Type-C connector. After the connection is successful, the USB AUX option will appear on the original car media. After the installation of Carplay, the original car head unit can be restored. The Carplay module can be placed in the position shown in the figure. To facilitate wiring, 2 screws on the armrest box can be unscrewed. Lift the armrest box to lead Carplay's USB and AUX cables into the armrest box. The installation is all completed, and the original car layout can be restored. Enter the multimedia interface in the original car system. Select USB AUX, then press and hold the Hang Up button on the steering wheel to switch CarPlay systems. You can enter the Bluetooth interface of CarPlay system to view CarPlay's Bluetooth name and other information. Enter the phone settings interface and turn on Bluetooth. Search and connect CarPlay Bluetooth. Pay attention to the mobile pop-up information and click Pair and Allow. Finally, click Use CarPlay and wait for the connection to be successful to enjoy wireless CarPlay.
规划路线失败，也没有网络。没网络吗？有可能手机没网络，对3个信号。看看，今天交警，语音控制，打电话给10086。
正在给10086打电话。
应该是，你看这个地方有信号屏蔽。接听。好的。
上午好。
规划路线检查网络连接或者重启。它的这个地图是怎么回事？定位失败，它没网络这个手机。